Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by ensuring the watch has at least a minimal charge. Plug it in for 15 minutes if it shows 0%. Once done, keep the paired iPhone within range so you can monitor connectivity and collect model details if needed. The first actionable step is a force restart. Press and hold the digital crown and the side button together for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo disappears and reappears. This clears transient firmware hangs without erasing data. If the force restart doesn't resolve the boot loop, unpair the watch from your iPhone now. This triggers an automatic backup and can allow a fresh restore. After unpairing, check the iPhone's Watch app for any pending watchOS updates and install them. Updates often fix boot issues by replacing corrupt system components. When updates and unpairing fail, prepare to use recovery options. Connect to a Mac with Apple Configurator or follow guided recovery steps, because a full restore may be required to rewrite the OS. Once recovery or update completes, restore your watch from the backup that was created during unpairing. This returns settings and apps. If the backup is problematic, set up as new to verify the hardware boots cleanly, then resync data selectively. If the device still hangs, repeat recovery once more and run Apple Support diagnostics. Sometimes only repair or component replacement remedies persistent boot failures. Keep the watch serial number and a clear description of symptoms ready when contacting Apple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.